Now, let us try to do some practice. So first up, we got zinc nitrate. So we need to state the salt preparation method for each of the salts. In this case, it will be zinc nitrate, and describe the methods used. So for zinc nitrate, let's look at our flowchart to determine which of the following method do we need to use. So let's scroll up all the way to the first page. Second page. Okay, now use the flowchart to identify the method used for the salt preparation. What we have just now was zinc nitrate. Obviously, all nitrates are soluble, so is the salt soluble in water? Answer is yes. Now, zinc nitrate. Is it a group 1 or spar salt? As zinc is not from group 1, zinc is also not spar, so therefore answer is no. So which method do we use? We use acid with excess insoluble MCB method. Let's go back down again. So for this case here, zinc nitrate, which method will we use? We'll be using acid with excess insoluble M, C, or B. Okay, step 1. Let's determine the reagent. So step 1, okay, zinc, you can choose metal carbonate or base, either one. In this case, maybe I'll just go with the carbonate to make things easier. So step 1, I'll say prepare zinc carbonate N. This is N. This is not number 8, this is actually N. Whereas zinc carbonate N. Now, because it's acid with excess insoluble MCB, the first part will be the MCB, the second part will be the acid. So nitrate, what type of acid can I get from it? It's actually nitric acid. So first step, prepare zinc carbonate and nitric acid. Now let's move on to step 2. Okay, so step 2 is to mix excess zinc carbonate with nitric acid. Okay, so step 2 is to mix them together. Step 3. What you do is you will filter the mixture to obtain the zinc nitrate solution. Okay, because when you mix excess zinc carbonate and nitric acid, okay, what you're gonna get is you'll have a beaker with one lump here. This lump is actually your zinc carbonate, which you want to get rid of. And this solution here is actually your zinc nitrate. Okay, so first step, prepare zinc carbonate and nitric acid. Second step, mix excess zinc carbonate and nitric acid. Third step, filter the mixture to obtain the zinc nitrate solution. Now, once you have the zinc nitrate solution, step 4 and 5 is actually crystallization. So step 4 is actually heat the zinc nitrate solution till point of saturation. To point of saturation. And then allow it to cool. That is step 4. Step 5. What you're going to do is filter the mixture to obtain the zinc nitrate crystal and then wash it with distilled water Then dry it with filter paper. And this is it. So you can see here what I did was to replace, rather than saying MCB all the time and acid, what I do is I substitute those words to make it more specific. In this case, zinc carbonate, nitric acid. You can see I make it a point to make the sentence as specific as I can. Okay, so this is practice 1.